Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to open shortcut menu Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to open shortcut menu Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. Just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here are some icons. And tap this three-dot icon. Here will appear several menu options that you can use. Tap the shortcut menu here. Now here will appear the shortcut menu, which contains several examples and functions of shortcuts in Microsoft Teams. Shortcuts in Microsoft Teams speed up navigation, communication, and meeting control, so that work is more efficient and practical. So that's it, tutorial how to open shortcut menu Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.